أعزائي المشاهدين، السلام عليكم. ما بين قربك وخوفي عليك، العمريطي سبورت بتنادي عليك. طقطق ودانك وفتح عينيك، إلى ميسي ورفاقه، أنا الأهلي المصري. بلادي هواها في لساني وفي دمي، يمجدها قلبي ويدعو لها فمي. My country, its air is on my tongue and in my blood. My heart glorifies it and my mouth prays for it. Dear Lionel Messi, greetings. You have reigned supreme in football for years. We have followed you with admiration, but today we apologize to you. We will defeat you and your team on your home turf. I am Al Ahly of Egypt, the second most decorated team in the world after Real Madrid. I am from Egypt, the country that has presented the world with the greatest civilization. The pyramids, the Sphinx, Naguib Mahfouz, Kulthum, Ahmed Zouel, and Mohamed Salah. The whole world will stop and watch me defeat you on Sunday morning, 3-2. God willing. I have great players who stand up in difficult situations and accept the challenge. I have the Haidam, Mohammed El Shenawi, and a solid defense. They are men and will prove to everyone who mocked them that they are up to the task and will not let me down. We will meet on Sunday morning for you to congratulate me on the victory after the match. Until we will meet again, goodbye and good luck. العمريطي سبورت، قناة جديدة على اليوتيوب هتبقى ترند. أشوفكم في فيديو قادم، والسلام عليكم.